Hey, good morning, guys. Today is October 21st, 2021, Thursday. Sorry, thanks for being patient while I log in. All right, today you guys will be doing page 214 and 215. Some of you probably did 214 yesterday, but our internet at the school was down, so it will all be tied in with today. Okay. Okay, so tracking an assassin. All right, so first off, we have the so we got witness and identify. Okay, the definitions there. Someone who sees an event and can describe it. Okay, what is one time you were a witness to an important event? I was a witness to my blank cousin's high school graduation, sister's sweet 16 party. Okay, it can be good or bad things, right? Okay, they talk about this in the court of law quite a bit. Okay, all right. Then we have the word identify, to recognize someone or something. How do you identify your friends in a crowd? To identify my friends in a crowd, I look for their distinctive features, including their hair, color, / favorite clothing. Okay. We've got tracking an assassin. Okay, and you guys can read that. If you're not here, go ahead and read that. And then today, this is a map. The red is John Wilkes Booth. The blue is the soldiers who were trying to find him. So why were Union soldiers following John Wilkes Booth's trail? Well, we got a pretty good idea of that. Circle features in the text that organize information into different sections. How do text features help readers keep track of events in the text? Okay, so you're gonna circle things that are different. So different features, different main things. So Ford's Theater, Washington, D.C. Peterson House, they got the dates right there. Those are features, right? 7:22 a.m. Okay, it gives us an idea of the time of day, where they were, things like that. How do map features help you understand the events in the text? So how does looking at this map help us to understand what's going on in the text? Write a headline that a newspaper reporter might write for April 14th or April 15th, 1865. Underline details in the text that support your idea. Okay. All right, so that's what you will be doing. I don't know where my screen recorder went. I hope it's been working. Well, hopefully all this just worked. I'm going to push pause. Have a great